This is a repertory that's put together by Jeremy Sherr, and it's really about themes. He's taken themes, the most prominent mental qualities, and put all the remedies in those qualities. So if you have a picture of a person or a certain quality or characteristic associated with them, instead of gathering rubrics from all the different parts of the mental section and different sections in the repertory, like ambition. If you think of ambition, other than mind ambitious, there are other, like there's a lot of delusions, there's other things that go to ambitious, but he's collected all of them and all of the remedies that are prominently represented and created what's called an ambition quality or a big ego quality. So, and every year he adds a few more as he works on them, because it's a lot of work to create one quality, collect all the rubrics from everywhere. But what I find here is that sometimes when you're looking for something specific and you would have to collect 8 rubrics to create a complete picture of that quality or characteristic, you can come here and you can find that quality. So if I look at control as a quality, and what he's done is then there are remedies for which this quality is front and center. It would be in level 4, bolded and underlined and capitals. Then he's collected those in one rubric, and then there are remedies that for which it's an issue, but it's not front and center, and those are in the control quality. But you can read about the qualities and understand what they are by going. So I did a right click on control quality, and it brings me up into this little menu here, and I say view rubric info. And so here you get the name of the rubric and the meaning of the rubric. And there are, several remedies. I think he has a snake quality. And so we can see what he says about snake quality. Suitable for any patient where snake-related issues are a theme of the case. This quality represents any snake issues, such as fears, delusions, dreams, thoughts, or many experiences meeting and attracting snakes. This rubric includes all the snake remedies, naturally, but it also includes plants with snake names in the 1st degree. It does not include remedies for ill effects of bites or venom.